Hello everyone, my name is Ketepan Jauki. Here I will presentation about material internal environmental accounting for conservation. Internal environmental accounting for conservation, version of cinematic and integrates approach which an organization to incorporate environmental consideration into internal accounting and managerial decision making process. This approach action beyond traditional accounting practice by recognizing that environmental resources such as water, energy, and raw material are not free goods, but economy input that must be managed efficiently. In the context, external environmental accounting become an essential mechanism for identifying, measuring, and controlling the environmental costs associated with business operations will simultaneously supports conservation efforts. The increasing urgency of global environmental challenges, including climate change, resource depletion, and pollution, has forced organizations to adopt more responsible and sustain management practice, making the approach highly relevant in modern business environment. The conceptual foundation of internal environmental accounting for conservation in closely linked with sustainability principles, particularly the triple bottom line framework introduced by John Ellington. This framework possesses the corporate success whole must be measured solely by financial performance, but also by environmental stewardship and social responsibility. Within this perspective, environmental conservation ignores view as cost burden, but a strategy investment that can generate long-term value. Additionally, stakeholder theory development by Edward Freemans reinforces the organization have obligation not only the shareholder but also the wider range of stakeholders, including community, governments, and future generation. The historical perspective provide a strong justification for integrated configuration of focus accounting practice into internal management system. In practice, DEM's internal environmental accounting for conservation involves the identification and classification of environmental costs that are often embedded with consideration overhead accounting in traditional accounting system. This cost may include energy consumption, water use, waste treatment, pollution control, environmental training, and investment in cleaner technology. By making this cost visible and traceable, organizations can better understand the true economic impacts of their environmental performance. A key element of this approach in the analysis of material and energy flow with the organization. This involves tracking the performance of input such as raw material, water, and energy through various stages of reduction, and identifying the output in the form in finishing product, emission, and wasted. By analyzing these flows, organization can identify and efficiency and address where resource and being wasted. For instance, a high level of material loss during production may linkage for process design of or inadequate quality control. Addressing this issue not only reduce environmental impact but also improve cost efficiency, demonstrating the direct link between conservation and economic performance. Another important aspect of internal environmental accounting for conservation in the development and use of environmental performance indicator. This indicator profit measurable benchmarks for evaluating the effectiveness of conservation effort and monitoring progress over time. Common indicator include energy and anxiety, wastage reduction rate, and carbon emission level. By regularly analyzing the these metrics, management can make informed decisions, just realistic target, and implements continuous improvement strategy. Moreover, these indicator help organize operation activity with broader organizational goals related to sustainability and environmental responsibility. The implementation of internal environmental accounting for conservation also purpose the integration of environmental consideration into budgeting, planning, and investment decision. Despite its numerous benefit, the adoption of internal environmental accounting for conservation is not without challenge. One of the main goals lies in the accurately measuring environmental costs and impacts, particularly those that are in the ranks of intangible. For example, long-term environmental damage caused by emission by may difficult to quantify in monetary terms. Additionally, many organizations lack standard framework and guidelines for implementing environmental accounting practices, which can lead to consistency and efficiency. Limits expertise and among employees and management can also handle the successful integration of the practice. However, the challenge solved also overshadow the strategic importance of internal environmental accounting for conservation. It involves an environmental regulation become more stringent and stakeholder expectation continue to evolve. Organization that fail to adopt sustainability practices may face significant risks, including legal penalties, reputational damage, and loss of competitive advantage. On the other hand, companies can successfully integrate environmental accounting into their internal system, can achieve multi benefits such as cost savings, improved operational efficiency, enhance corporate image, and strong stakeholder relationship. In this essence, environmental conservation is not only completion requirement but a key driver of long-term business success. In conclusion, internal environmental accounting for conservation is critical tools that enable organizations to align their economic objectives with environmental sustainability. By systematically identifying, measuring, and managing environmental cost or resource use, company can enhance efficiency, reduce environmental impact, and support sustainability development. This approach reflects on fundamental shift in how organizations perceive and managing environmental issues, transforming them from external constructs into strategic opportunities. As global environmental challenges continue to intensify, the role of internal environmental accounting in promoting conservation and sustainability will will become crucially significant, making it indispensable component of material organizing management. And see you and thank you for attention. And I end. See you.